Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm Ilona and I decided to make a YouTube video every week now just to improve my skills, and I thought it would be fun if you could improve with me. So my purpose for these videos is to learn something myself and tell you all about it. So here we go. The first video will be about the proportions of the face, like how do you start a drawing? How do you start to draw a face? So to start a drawing, we start by drawing a circle. The next thing we draw is a line somewhere in the middle or more to the back for the eyebrows. You take 1/3 and above you will have the hairline and underneath you'll have the nose and then the chin. And I don't know how, but my camera stopped working. I'll give a summary at the end and I'll give you like some tips to get the proportions in your face right. So stick till the end and I'll show you. Anyways, I'm hoping you guys enjoyed the process, and I also did some shading, not quite according to the book yet, I guess, but I'll make a video of that one later. And if you like it, subscribe. You can also check out my other videos and yeah, try it for yourself. First thing, so what I look for when I'm drawing is that the nose can be quite small, like in this case it can fit between the eyes, just like they say you need the space of a third eye between your eyes to be correct. So now I'm amusing myself by drawing a third eye on her head. Corner of the lips, it goes like right to the middle of your eye. It's a good way to check if you're to know if your mouth isn't too large or too small. Of course it can vary a lot. Like also the space of the 1/3, it can vary according to the face. The ear, this is a good one. The ear always fits between the eyebrow, the eye, between the nose and the eyebrow eye, somewhere there. And of course, this can vary as well because every human being is different, and this is so cool because then every drawing is different. So I made these summary drawings that you can check out. I made a link below where you can find them as well, and you can also check out my Instagram profile to see what I do every day. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, so give it a thumbs up. And this was it for the proportions. Oh my god, sorry. This was it for the face proportions, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching.